This is a Canon 600D video test. Let's go. So I took this outside. It's quite cloudy and it's in the morning, so the sun hasn't come out yet, but you can see the rich tone and differences in color that are there. And the 50mm lens, it being a close-up lens, you can really focus on the object you want to take right there. So for here, I wanted to focus on that part specifically, but unfortunately, when you're already in video mode and your lens is in autofocus mode, and you're already recording the video, you can't then change the focus. So that's one of the disadvantages. So it's either you have to put it in manual focus, or you just have to do that before you start recording. But you can see the nice tone of the color there, and once you get closer, it then resolves. That's another video test right there, quite rich. So when you focus on an object, it's clear, but if you go away in autofocus mode, it obviously becomes blurry like that. Okay, this is a different color, some velvety red, and I'll just come closer so that I can focus more. You can see I put in one shot, I was trying to put different colors there, so that's nice. This fruit is a mango, and that's a great representation of the bokeh. Like, the background is blurred and it simply focuses on the object. So I was focusing on the mango there. So this is me tracking an avocado right before I start recording. So you can see I lock in, and then if I press record, it will simply be focused on that. So that's a great attribute. Then this is the Canon 600D at night. Of course, it's in the car, so it's a bit shaky, but you know, at night it focuses mainly on where there's light, so it just follows light. Yeah, so that's great. So apart from the fact that you can track objects in autofocus mode, I think the Canon 600D is great, and you know, you should buy it if you're planning on using it for videos. Try out different lenses, and I think that will be great for you.